If you are evaluating a well-being program for yourself or your organization, this video will be of assistance. This video summarizes the key takeaways from an HBR research article titled "Why Breathing is So Effective at Reducing Stress." My name is Bharat Iyer. I'm a corporate trainer focusing on leadership and management skills training and also mind management and stress management. The HBR article is authored by Emma Seppala, who's a lecturer at the Yale School of Management and faculty director of the Yale School of Management's Women Leadership Program, and by Christina Bradley, who's a doctoral student in the Management and Organizations Department at the University of Michigan's Ross School of Business, and by Michael Goldstein, who's a postdoctoral research fellow at the Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center and the Harvard Medical School. The first study that the article talks about is a study at Yale University where participants are randomly allocated to 4 different groups. The first group goes through a technique called the Sky Breath Meditation Program, in which a series of breathing and meditation exercises are learned by the group over a period of a few days, which are designed to induce calm and resilience. The second group goes through a mindfulness-based stress reduction program where they learn a meditation technique in which they are trained to be aware of each moment in a non-judgmental way. The third group goes through a program called the Foundations of Emotional Intelligence, where they learn techniques to improve emotional awareness and regulation. And the fourth group is a control group. The result of this study was that the participants who practiced the Sky Breath meditation experienced the greatest benefits in terms of increased mental health, increased social connectedness, increased positive emotions, increased mindfulness, decreased level of stress, and decreased level of depression. The second study referenced to in the HBR article is a study in the University of Arizona where there were 2 groups. The first group learned the Sky Breath meditation technique, and the second group learned a conventional cognitive stress reduction technique, which is about how to change your thoughts about stress. The results of the study were that both workshops were rated similarly by participants. Both produced significant increase in social connectedness, but the Sky Breath workshop was more beneficial in terms of reduced stress, increased mood, and increased conscientiousness. In the second study at the University of Arizona, before and after the workshops, participants underwent a stress task that simulated a high pressure performance situation like presenting at a high stake business meeting. The Sky breathing group held steady in terms of breathing and heart rate. The group that had completed the cognitive workshop in anticipation of the stressful performance showed elevated breathing and heart rates. The Sky breathing group holding steady in terms of breathing and heart rate suggests that the program had instilled in them a buffer against the anxiety typically associated with anticipating a stressful situation. This meant that they were not only in a more positive emotional state, but also that they were more able to think clearly and effectively perform the task at hand. So what makes the breath so special and so effective? When you're going through strong emotions like stress, anxiety, or anger, it's very difficult to talk your way out of these emotions. If your colleague tells you to calm down when you're in a moment of deep stress, we all know it doesn't really help. And in a highly stressed state, what happens is that our prefrontal cortex, which is that part of our brain responsible for rational thinking, it stops working properly. So logic seldom helps in getting back control. And in a stressed state, thinking straight and being emotionally intelligent with our teams, we all know is very, very difficult. So this is where the breath comes in, and a breathing technique like Sky helps us to gain some mastery over our mind. So how does Sky breath meditation actually work? We have two systems in our body. The sympathetic nervous system, which regulates our fight or flight response, and the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's rest and digest activities. We have a very important nerve called the vagus nerve, which runs from the brain stem all the way to the abdomen and is an important part of the parasympathetic nervous systems. In the Sky breath meditation, we breathe in different rhythms, and what happens is that this signals relaxation, it slows our heart rate, and it stimulates the vagus nerve. Triggering of the parasympathetic nervous system helps us start to calm down, feel better, and our ability to think rationally slowly returns back. Taking a few deep breaths when we are stressed, of course, helps, as we all know. But a comprehensive breathing protocol like the Sky breath and meditation technique, it trains our nervous system for resilience in the long term and helps us sustain greater well-being and lower our stress level both at work and also beyond. So where can you learn the Sky breath meditation technique? You can learn this technique as a part of the online IXL holistic well-being program, which is offered by the Art of Living. And you can find details of open programs, and you can also register for a program on my website, www.learningwithiyer.com. You can also find the entire HBR article which I ran you through on my website. So take care and have a wonderful day.